One of the coolest things about the IDN Drawing Viewer is the ability to add a service ticket directly from the drawing viewer on a tablet. Let's say you're walking around on a floor and you see something that needs to be addressed. You can touch on the hard hat icon to enter work mode, then touch on the space in question, then touch the service request button. A short form pops up so you can fill out the details, plus take a picture. These details then go back into the work system for review at a later time. The system already knows your name, so all you do is select a problem category and then a problem type, plus add a short description. To take a picture of the problem, press Select Files and the camera option appears. Just point and shoot. That's it. Press Submit, and the request is immediately in the system. A note appears indicating the new ticket number, and that follow-up will be sent by email. Back on the drawing viewer, you can see the space is now highlighted in solid blue. Plus, the new service request ticket is visible on the right. Touch the gray chevron. It will slide open the option to view or edit the ticket details. We now have access to the power of the work management application, including the status chain, attached documents, and pictures, plus the history of the request, the location, the problem details, etc. Often you will want to print this work ticket to paper or prepare it for attaching to an email. Easily done. A 2-page file is created that includes all details, plus the space highlighted on the floor plan. Start managing your facility in minutes with IDN.